Here's a wealth building secret that most financial advisors won't tell you about. When you look at how millionaires and billionaires build their fortunes, you'll notice something striking: business ownership. It's the highest ROI investment in the world because the returns are exponential. When the S&P 500 can give you 8 to 10% annually, with a business you can grow by leaps and bounds. The tax benefits are substantial. Business owners can put away nearly triple what employees do, which means more money in your pockets. You gain true time freedom. Unlike your 9 to 5 where more success means less personal time, business ownership lets you build systems that run without you. The best way to get started? Franchising. While 80% of independent business startups fail, 80% of franchises are still humming after 5 years because you get a proven roadmap to financial freedom and wealth creation. I'm Keith Liscio, a franchise matchmaker with Excelsior Franchise Center. I'm affiliated with the Franchise Brokers Association, and I uncover blue ocean franchises which are highly profitable, easy to set up, and help you create financial freedom. I've helped create lots of new business owners. Will you be next?